talk about what's happening at Jantar Mantar in the national capital. With the Cockroach Janata Party, which has been holding protest at the area which is registered for protest, that they have been demanding the resignation of the education minister over the alleged irregularities in this year's examination paper leaks. And right at the heart of it is Sonam Wangchuk. Now today, which marks day 19 of his indefinite fast, and in this fresh show of support and solidarity, the CJP has now called for a one-day mass hunger strike, standing in solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk as his health deteriorates. We are also expecting that a health bulletin will also be released soon. Now, on day 19 of his hunger strike, Sonam Wangchuk's health, according to latest updates, has further deteriorated. He's also lost a significant amount of weight as well. And now what is being said that his routine checkup is taking place and the health bulletin would be released very soon. So we are looking at the doctors who have been continuously monitoring his vitals. And let's connect with Mohit on this. So Mohit, a day-long hunger strike that has been announced by CJP. What about Sonam Wangchuk's health?
Well, in fact, you can see in these visuals, Sonam Wangchuk is still there. He is still continuing with his hunger strike. Dr. Mr. Lamba, who has been continuously monitoring his situation, is on the ground. And according to Dr. Lamba, in past 19 days, 9 kgs of weight has been lost. Lamba ji, aapse baat karenge. If you can come here, sir. So you can see Sonam Wangchuk is there on the stage. He looks visibly weak. He was limping while he was walking. We also spoke to Abhijit Deepke. He says that the government should now intervene because he urged Mr. Wangchuk to end the strike, but that did not happen. We'll get Dr. Lamba on live, what exactly he has to say. Dr. Lamba, what exactly are the health parameters of Sonam Wangchuk? What exactly is the situation? How much weight has he lost?
Actually, today is the 19th day of his indefinite fast, and total weight loss is more than 9 kg on the 19th day.
And blood pressure and sugar?
Blood pressure in both position is around 101/65. That is the blood pressure going on for last.
Lamba sir, you also stated that you'll monitor for 24 more hours, and after that, the parameters could also impact his organs. How serious is that?
Actually, 2 parameters are definitely on the normal side. One was the presence of ketone bodies in the urine. That was 3+. That was due to the fat in the energy was given by the fat when the glucose intake is not there. The other parameter is high uric acid. So it means that is the stage 2. First stage was the fat.
Suppose that organs will be affected. As a doctor, do you suggest him to end his strike given the fact that his health is keeping low? People are concerned about this and something might happen. And as a doctor, would you consult him?
Yes, that is on the merit of what the ethics we have. हमने जो पढ़ा है उसकी हिसाब से तो मैंने बोला है कि as for the recommendation of doctor he should end his fast. और मैंने भी आज भी रिक्वेस्ट की है कि मतलब Mr. Wangchuk is our precious gem, and definitely we don't want to lose him, and he should end his fast.
So there you see the doctor's reaction first coming in, who says that he has also asked Sonam Wangchuk to end his hunger strike, given the fact that how his health parameters have considerably come down. And in fact, the doctor has made one serious revelation that this might also affect his organs if within 24 hours the strike is not being broken. I'll ask my camera person to be on these visuals. On 20th of July, a march has been called in by the Cockroach Janata Party towards the parliament, and they say they want resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, and unless and until that happens, they will continue with your protest. But these are the visuals. A man sitting there for 19 days. He is on hunger strike, and there are concerns, Amita, being shown all across the country about his health. We know for a fact that how exactly people are saying that he should end his hunger strike and continue his fight because his health is deteriorating. But as of now, while we speak, when he was walking towards the stage, he was limping. He is not keeping well. And Abhijit Deepke also stated that he has also a Sonam Wangchuk, and he says that the government should not delay their intervention. The government should speak as soon as possible to Sonam Wangchuk because the situation over here could be alarming in a day or two, given the fact that how exactly his health has deteriorated. But he's still there. He's speaking to the people, and as of now, he says that he's fine and he will continue with his protest. But the doctor also says that according to the medical ethics, Sonam Wangchuk should end his strike, given the fact that how exactly his health parameters are depleting, and within 24 hours, it could also affect his organs. Back to you in studio.
Well, that seems to be the current case that we are looking at. You saw those pictures live as the doctors there were checking, as far as his vitals are concerned, still said to be in a position where they have been requesting him and appealing him to call off his hunger strike. But we'll listen to what Sonam Wangchuk himself said, saying that don't ask to end my fast, join in my fast. And rather than they are now planning more protest or to escalate as far as the protest when the monsoon session of parliament begins.
मेरी हालत कुछ ऐसी भी नहीं है कि मैं 2-4 दिन में मर जाऊं। बहुत सारे मेडिकल टेस्ट होते रहे हैं, रिजल्ट्स काफ़ी नॉर्मल है 18 दिन के अनशन के लिए। आज ईसीजी भी हुआ, बुरा नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैं अभी कई दिन चल सकता हूँ। हाँ, कमज़ोरी है, मेरे मसल्स ख़त्म हो रहे हैं, मगर मेरा दिल और कोर अभी भी ठीक चल रहा है। तो इसलिए सिर्फ अनशन तोड़ने को कहने के बजाय मैं आप लोगों से विनती करूंगा कि आप भी एक छोटा कदम उठाएं। 20 जुलाई को इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आएं कि एक संदेश सरकार को जाए।
That seems to be Sonam Wangchuk's appeal that is now been coming in on a day where the CJP has announced a day-long mass hunger strike. We'll continue to get you updates back after a short break.